In this tutorial, I'll guide you through step by step on how to change your email on Temu. So if you want to do that, you head straight to your Temu mobile application. So now once you click on that, you now proceed to this U icon, your profile icon below. So now once you click on your profile icon, the next step is to proceed and you now click on the settings icon here. Now once you click on the settings icon, you now proceed, you click on account security. So now once you click on the account security, you click on the second option, email, and you click on edit. So now once you click on edit, you now proceed and you now insert your new email and you now continue to save. So this is how to change your email on Temu. If this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you.